everyone. 안녕하세요. 여자님, 날씨예요. 아니네. 나의 애우대요. 저는 나는 Indonesia 아이요. Hi. My name is Johnny. I'm from Indonesia. And let's study about English reading. English reading. When we meet someone, we say, like when we meet someone, meet. Then first is good morning. You know good morning? Morning. When the sun from 12 in the midnight till 12 in the afternoon. We say good morning. When we meet, we say good morning. The sun is up in the morning. We meet someone. We say good morning. Let's say together good morning. Good morning. When we meet someone, hey, good morning. And then second. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. When the sun is up, it's from 12 o'clock till 6 o'clock, we say good afternoon. When we meet someone, we say good afternoon. When we meet someone, hi, good afternoon. Let's say together. Good afternoon. And third, next. Good evening. We say good evening when we meet someone. And the sun goes down, sunset, sun is asleep, and the moon is appear, and we meet someone. It's from 6 p.m. till 12 p.m. It's in the night. When we meet someone, we say, good evening. When we meet someone, hey, good evening. And then, or we can say, hello or hi. When we meet someone, in every time, it's night,